Preparation Fellowship of the Social Science Research Council of New York. A respected voice in global health diplomacy and governance, Professor Aghanim played a key role in revising WHO's international health regulations. His distinguished career includes senior positions within the United Nations system, serving at the United Nations University in Tokyo and Kuala Lumpur. An advocate of innovative approaches to education that emphasize peace, sustainability, and global citizenship, he works to transform learning systems and prepare future generations for the challenges of our interconnected world.
These are the dreams of parents. And when a kid says, "Oh, I want to be a teacher, I want to be a filmmaker, I want to be an actor," yeah? Can you imagine 30, 40 years ago, what typical parents would think of, when kids actually, so you're pushing them to become what they don't want to be. Okay? You want them to become lawyers, or to become doctors, to become engineers. So this is actually, again, what we have to think about in terms of,
get back that you can have at the intellectual level, maybe other levels also, by having people there. So a lot of people can go from India. This is also a very important context, and I would assume that a lot of Gen Z and Gen Alpha will go abroad. This is going to be a trend. Japan, the other day they were saying 50,000 people they're going to take from India. So who are these 50,000 people? I suspect that many of them will be from Gen Z as of now. So this is as far as the context, the country and the globe goes. Now let's take a look at the topic. I'm not getting into definitions here because all of you already know, and for your generation, basic content you'll get it on the web, so you don't need to get into definitions of Z and Alpha. Characteristics also you should be knowing by now. But then what is the key thing there? The key thing there is one, the word education, the other is reinvent.
And learning is modification of behavior. So one is making desirable behavior change, and learning is making desirable behavior change in children. So as sir told, one is content oriented and the other is contextual. So both these are very, very important. And also one of the most important fact regarding Gen Z is that they are more like personalized instruction. That is why nowadays we are more concentrating in traditional ways of learning. It is more teacher centered and now it is more learner centered.